Hey everyone, want to create realistic AI videos with Pika AI? In this video, I'll show you how to generate more natural and realistic looking videos step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Pika AI website. Sign in to your account and click Create *** to start a new project. Next, choose *text to video * or image to video, depending on how you want to create your video. Now write a detailed prompt describing your scene. Include realistic details like the subject, environment, lighting, camera angle, movement, and visual style. Use specific words that describe real-world footage, such as cinematic camera, natural lighting, realistic textures, smooth motion, and detailed environments. Next, adjust settings like video length, aspect ratio, quality, and style if those options are available. Click Generate * and wait while Pika AI creates your realistic AI video. Once the video is ready, preview the result and check details like movement, expressions, and overall quality. If needed, improve your prompt and generate a new version. After you get the results you want, download the video or continue editing it for your project. And that's how you create realistic AI videos with Pika AI. With detailed prompts and the right settings, you can create impressive AI-generated videos that look more natural and professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.